my God.
Can I just get a huge round of applause for the beautiful bride and groom? That's it? Come on, guys. Look at them. Look at them. Come on. There you go. There you go. All right.
Okay. Oh my God. So you look beautiful. Oh my gosh. This is so beautiful. I mean, you are.
And we created different languages and different colors. And this is a beautiful reminder because we have the bringing together of nationalities, of languages, of backgrounds, of experiences. And this is of the essence of marriage, of what marriage is about. It's about unification.
Assalamu alaikum, everyone. First and foremost, I hope everyone is enjoying this beautiful evening, and I'd like to thank you all for joining us on behalf of both families.
Adal is the most loving guy I know. Throughout our friendship, the one thing that has increased and increased and increased is his love for others and his love for his family.
You've handled yourself with so much grace and confidence throughout every step of your life, and I'm so proud of the person you've become.
After having the pleasure of getting to know Adal, I know there's no one that will keep her happier than him. He completes Sameea in every way possible, and they are the definition of a match made in heaven. I love you both so much, and I wish you nothing but the best. May Allah bless this marriage with endless happiness and prosperity.
It's hard for me to put into words how happy I am to see her sitting next to a man who I think is going to keep her very happy. I mean, he has to, but Adal, I'd like to welcome you into the family. Ever since, getting to know you, you are a wonderful, kind-hearted man, and I wish you guys nothing but happiness in life, inshallah.
Adal Munshi, son of Fadlul Munshi, have you accepted Sameea Chaudhary, daughter of Wasim Chaudhary, as your wife?
Qabool hai.
And brother Wasim Chaudhary, have you accepted Adal Munshi as the husband of your daughter Sameea Chaudhary? And Sameea Chaudhary, have you accepted Adal Munshi as your husband?
Adal, I'm so happy you and Sameea have found each other. The glow and happiness that you brought to Sameea's face can never be replaced. I've never seen a couple more meant to be than the two of you. You both have set the example for what true love looks like, and I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for you both.
right, ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to the Grand Marquis here in Old Bridge, New Jersey. Ladies and gentlemen, we're gathered here today to celebrate our newlyweds. All right, without further ado, please help me welcome the bride and groom, Adal and Sameea.
Sameea, you are the little sister I never had and truly embodied my level of craziness. Your adventurous spirit, contagious laugh, and unwavering support have made you an inseparable part of my life.
Having a baby sister like Sameea is a breath of fresh air. Although she's 4 years younger than me, I look to her for strength and guidance. She's my rock, my best friend, my anchor, and now the best khala. My heart is so full and happy to witness her begin this new journey with her soulmate Adal.
Sameea, we're so glad we have another sister. We absolutely love you. So glad you're here. Adal, you're outnumbered even more.
But seriously, as you embark on this beautiful journey of love and commitment with Adal, I want you to know that you will always have a cheering squad.
In all seriousness, I really wish you guys all the best of luck. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant your marriage a long, 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 long marriage with a lot of happy memories.
He's always running on Daisy time and takes more time getting ready than anyone else in the house.
Keep this short and sweet too. Adal, Sameea, I love you both, and I wish you guys nothing but the best and a future full of love and happiness together.
We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to bless this union and to bless this gathering and to bless the bride and the groom and their families. Allahumma ameen. Jazakumullahu khair.